Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You want to start by softening the glue so it releases, not tears the surface. Use a hair dryer on medium for 20-30 seconds while keeping it a few inches away. That loosens the adhesive. Once done, check a hidden edge to confirm the surface tolerates heat. Make sure you have rubbing alcohol or a mild adhesive remover, a plastic scraper, and a microfiber cloth ready. This prevents damage and speeds the next step, the mechanical removal. You'll now lift and pull the sticker while managing remaining adhesive. Start at a corner, slide a plastic scraper under at a low angle and peel slowly to avoid tearing. If the sticker resists, reapply heat for 15-30 seconds and resume. Patience prevents gumming the scraper. Once most paper is off, dampen a microfiber cloth with rubbing alcohol and rub in small circular motions to dissolve residue. Make sure to replace the cloth. Finish by cleaning the area to remove solvents and remaining tackiness. Wash with mild soap and water, then dry completely to see the true result. If stubborn glue remains, apply a small amount of adhesive remover or 99% isopropyl alcohol, test a hidden spot first, and work gently. Make sure to polish or condition the surface afterward if it looks dull. If something goes wrong, staining or finish change, stop, neutralize with water, and seek a product specifically made for that material.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.